Si Ma'am Christine. Christine, kita. Hi, kita Christine. Christine, kayo talaga eh. Ma'am Christine.
Alam mo, ang maganda talaga ng mga Chabacano. Makikita ko talaga. Beautiful faces sa mga Chabacano.
Correct.
Diba? Yung mga lalaki, iba ito, bago ito. Ha? Hello. Go po, ano? Casa to conmigo.
Hello, ay naging konti.
Porque?
Speak English, yan.
Straight side ako. Okay. Sorry, I thought you understand Chabacano. You remind me of Muhammad Ali. Hoy, sino pa? Sino gusto? Sino gusto? Maganda to, maganda. Wholesome. Madam, ikaw madam. Nagtatago-tago ka dyan, madam. Akala mo, hindi kita makikita. Ha? Madam, sige na madam. Five na, sige. Okay. Okay. Kasi, alam mo, pwede sana si Madam Nika. Yung Marias kasi. Pero, I want Madam... Pero sandali, I want Madam Tingay to look at the game. Kasi Madam, kayo po ang judge namin. Pero dito kayo Madam, dito kayo sa gitna. Ayan, kailangan makita niyo po Madam kung sino po yung nagdadaya. Okay.
So, wait lang. Ano muna yung game natin?
Ang game natin madali lang. I'm sure some of you, I'm not saying everyone, some of you would watch Wawawi every afternoon. Okay? This is what we call Hep Hep Hooray.
Ayan, sige. Do we have that song, Hep Hep Hooray? No? Or any fast song lang, tapos sabayan natin?
But iibahin natin, hindi siya Hep Hep Hooray. Since the birthday celebrant's name is Irby Fabian, it's Irby Fabian. Irby Fabian. Okay? Ang Irby sa baba. Ang Fabian sa taas. Okay? Itatry natin kung sino po ang pinaka-forgetful sa kanilang lahat. Ha? Okay. Titignan po natin kung sino po ang marami kumain ng vegetables at kung sino ang marami kumain ng pork. Okay? So, are we ready? Let's try this. Trial lang po itong Miss Tingay and you'll be the judge later on. Okay, let's start with Irby Fabian. Ready, get set, go! Irby Fabian. Okay, out ka na kagad. So, Irby Fabian. Okay? Let's try it one more time. Ready, get set, go! Irby Fabian. Irby Fabian. Irby Fabian. Irby Fabian. Irby Fabian. Irby. Irby? No, you don't clap your hands. You just raise your hands. Okay. Yeah, pretend that you have body odor. Yeah. Okay. That's it. Okay. So, are we ready now? So, it's very easy, right? Okay. Randall, you do it first. Okay?
Sige. Paano ba ginagawa yun? Ba't sinasabi scrambled foods? Ano ba kailangan na? Happy tayo.
Oh, happy.
Okay, ready?
Irby Fabian.
Okay, Irby Fabian. Ready and go!
Irby Fabian. Irby Fabian. Irby Fabian. Irby Fabian. Irby Fabian. Irby. Okay. Alam mo, ang dating ni Randolph, naaawa siya. Okay, I have to make it clear again. You don't clap your hands here. You just raise your hands. Okay? And then Irby, clap your hands. Fabian. Okay? I'll do it here now. Okay? So, is it clear to you now? Gawin natin mas mabilis. Ready, get set, go! Irby, Fabian. Irby, Fabian. Irby, Fabian. Irby, Fabian. Fabian. Oh, you're for... Hey, madam, what's your name again? What's your name? What's your name? Introduce yourself. Listen to the order. Oh, wow. Rich. Oh my gosh. You know, I like you because despite of your, your position, you were able to join this contest. That's why I give a big round for her. Okay, so are we ready now? Ready? Get set, go! Irby, Fabian. Irby, Fabian. Irby, Fabian. Fabian. Irby, Fabian.
Irving, Fabian.
Irving. Fabian.
Irving, Fabian. Irving,
Ang gagaling!
Irving, Fabian.
Fabian.
Out na
Let's
si
give a big hand
Mal.
for Nikki Cosaten! Okay. Hey, Mom, introduce yourself. Introduce yourself. Come on, come
Tita
on.
Vita
You're so
Quizona.
lovely, believe me. Vita. Let's give a big hand for Vita. She said just now, I enjoy your body, she said. Thank you so much. I know that I'm sexy, Madam Vita. I know that. Ano yung mga pare? Ano ba? Okay. Are we ready now? Ano na palang price nito, Madam Dingay? Okay. I'll tell you later para ganahan naman sila. Okay. Are you ready? Ready? Get set, go!
Irving, Fabian. Irving, Fabian.
Dalawa na lang sila! Madam, what's your name, Madam?
Chicky Marquez.
Chicky Marquez. Oh, Chiquitita Marquez. My gosh! I like your pearls. Yeah, and your watch is expensive watch, huh? My gosh, Hello Kitty. Let's give a big hand for this Chicky Marquez. Okay, so Randall, do it please. Ay, wala ka ng mic? Oh, gamitin mo na rin sarili mong microphone. Miss Binday, are you doing okay there? So far po, sino po ang bet nyo? Sino po ang tingin nyo pong mananalo sa dalawa?
Ewan.
Okay, so bet, sa isip nyo lang po. I'm not trying to ask you to be clairvoyant, but you know, somehow, in your mind, sino po ang nakikita nyo pwedeng mananalo dyan? The younger one, you guess. Okay, tignan natin. Who will be the winner? Is it the older or the younger? Okay. Para ma-inspire sila, I have to tell you the prize for this. It's a gift certificate for 2, given by Mrs. Tingay and the Congressman Fabian. Gift certificate for 2, overnight for 2 at Palmeras. Lobby. Just for fun, diba? For fun lang naman. At least, diba, this night would be really memorable because of Congressman Fabian. If I were rich, you know, I would give you a gift, but you're already rich. Okay? So are we ready now? Ready, get set, go.
Irving, Fabian. Irving, Fabian. Irving, Fabian.
What's your name again? Jamie, congratulations, you're the second winner at least. Let's give a big hand for Jamie. I couldn't see Mrs. Linda is now been deceiving older, younger daw ang mananalo. Kita niyo kayo ang mananalo. And, you know, yeah, she looks really young. I mean, I want to guess her age, okay? 40? Higher, lower? Oh, 41. 45? Oh, pamparo 2? Ano nga ba yung pamparo? Alimutan ko yung pamparo. Ano sinabing pamparo?
Pamparon.
Pamparon.
Sinungaling.
Ah, okay, ayun. Tama.
Okay.
Pero mo tama pala, di ba? Okay, so how old are you, Ma? 50! My gosh! Ladies and gentlemen, look at the 50 years old. Grabe, di ba? You're very lucky, madam. Continue to eat vegetables. Are you a vegetarian?
She's a Noranian. She doesn't take vegetarian.
Can you please introduce yourself? What's your name?
I'm Christine Marquez.
Christine Marquez. Let's give a big gift from Miss Christine Marquez. Thank you very much. You're the winner!
Tita Christine.
It's in the video. And
You
let's
don't
give a
look
big
like you're
gift.
50.
Yeah.
She looks only like she's 51.
Yeah.
Tita, I'll see you on Monday kasi 2 days kayo sa lobby.
And let's give a big hand for Congresswoman ba?
Easy.
Oh, Mrs. Digay. Tumakbo na rin po kayo para masulit na ang pagka-Congresswoman. But is it true? 4 years na po kayo? 4 years lang po kayo ng Congresswoman?